including dietary supplements and genetically modified organisms. Mr. Scott Tipps began serving as a US delegate to Codex in June of 2000. During the first meetings, he did everything he could to communicate with the head of the US delegation.
I, in a flurry of notes, passed comments and suggestions and the like to Elizabeth Yetley, who was the American delegate there, and it made no impact. In fact, the only impact I had was to call her during a break and basically be very tough with her about a particular clause that she was trying to remove from the final report. That particular sentence or clause basically said that the United States supports the right of consumers to have free access to vitamins and minerals, and she had unilaterally yanked that from the final reports.
This attitude by Ms. Yetley, who is an employee of the US Food and Drug Administration, is reflective of Codex meetings in general. In an attempt to shine light on those who are unilaterally making public policy in private, health freedom advocate John Hamill took a small video camera into 2 Codex meetings in 1998. These grainy videos are all that remain of the tapes, which mysteriously disappeared.
Moving right along, agenda number 5 on violence and minerals.
So you're going to strike that second paragraph?
Well, these are draft positions. They go in as draft positions. So they're not the final nor the formal position.
You've seen the letter from Ron Paul then, and this was signed by Ron Paul, Congressman Stump, and Congressman Cook.
We have received a lot of mail. We've looked at all of it.
And you acknowledge that this represents the will of the American people and the will of Congress, correct?
There's a wide range of opinions on this one.
Despite multiple written requests and the intervention of a US congressman, the FDA refused to answer any questions about Codex, dietary supplements, or even labelling for this documentary.